Hello my dear children, I am going to teach you about the determination of position of elements in periodic table. Means how can we find the position of elements in periodic table. This is in your course of chapter 3 in subject chemistry. To find the position of elements in periodic table, first of all we write electronic configuration of elements according to above rule like this. For example, to find the position of 11 sodium, first of all you write electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. The last electron enters in S subshell, hence the block in which this element belongs is S. The period for this element is third period, because there are three periods. First period is subshell, these are the subshells of second period, and this is the subshell of third period. Means the period number is 3 and the group from which it belongs is 1. For S block elements, the number of electrons in NS subshell is equal to group number. The number of electrons in S subshell indicates group number, like this. Take one more example like this: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. Here, this element is also belong to S block, block S, period 1, 2, 3, 4. Group 2. Take another example, oxygen. First of all, we write electronic configuration like this: 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. This element belongs to block P because last electron enters in P subshell, hence it belongs to block P. Period, here period is 2 because first cell and these are the subshells of second cell, means period 2. And group number for this element is, to find group number of P block elements, the number of electrons in P subshell plus 12 is equal to group number. To find group number, we add 12 in number of electrons in P subshell, means 4 plus 12 becomes 16. 15 phosphorus, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. This element is also of block P, period 3, and group first cell, second cell, third cell. Number of electrons in P subshell is 3, then you add 12, means it becomes total 15. Group number is 15. These are the examples of S block, these are the examples of P block. Now come to elements from D block elements. For D block elements like 25 Mn, first of all we write electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d5. This element belongs to D block, block D. Period for this element is first, second, third, and this one is fourth. The outermost shell is period number 4th, and group number. To find group number in D block elements, we add n-1 D electron and ns electron. Means this one 2 and this one 5. 2 plus 5 becomes 7. This element belongs to block D, period 4 and group 7. Take one more example like 28 nickel. First of all we write electronic configuration like this: 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d8. This element also belongs to block D, period, here period is again 4, like this, 4th period, and group becomes 2 plus 8 becomes 10. For another element 40ZR, first of all we write electronic configuration like this: 4s2 3d10 4p6 5s2 4d2, 2 plus 2 4 plus 6 10 plus 2 12, 6 18 20 30 36 38 40. Here the block is D, period is first cell, second cell, third cell, fourth cell, and this one fifth cell, hence the period is fifth, and group number is 2 plus 2 becomes 4. Okay, in this way we can find the position of any element in periodic table. Okay, thank you.